Well, Emma, Logan, I have some wonderful news to share. After 6 months of dedicated treatment, therapy, and perseverance, I am delighted to announce na nagkaroon ng extraordinary recovery from her psychiatric illness si Emma. Bumabalik ka na sa dati, Emma. Magaling ka na.
Sigurado ka ba, Doc?
Yes, Logan. Look at this. Emma has demonstrated significant progress in managing her symptoms and enhancing her coping mechanisms. At hindi mangyayari yan kung hindi tinulungan ni Emma ang sarili niya.
Well, what can I say? I'm not surprised. Doc, thank you. Emma, narinig mo yan? Magaling ka na.
Hindi naman din ako gagaling kung hindi dahil sa suporta mo. Salamat, Logan. Maraming salamat.
Always happy to help.